because they did not put on socks.
Dr. Odonga, who is a political philosopher, said he is not happy by a school in Kitgum making the kids to dig the compound, that is cleaning the compound, as a sign of punishment. Odonga argues that this is not good. It does not inspire the kids to look at digging as something which is sensible.
I'm here at Kitgum Gimara school. It's just amazing that we have children digging. They're digging in the school garden. And I stopped and asked them that why are they digging? These are P7. And they said that they are being given punishment because they are not putting on school socks. So now, honestly, can the government of Uganda explain? Because this is not fair. I don't understand. Why would you subject children to this at the time for class? The ones in Kampala parents, the ones in other parts of the country are studying. I don't know which regulation allows this. Why don't you allow the students to dig over the weekends and allow them to prepare for school? And honestly speaking, digging in the daytime because they did not put on socks. Minister of Education, Honorable Janet Kata Museveni, this could be happening all over the country, here in Kitgum Matidi. We need answers.
Well, on this issue, I think I can have my personal opinion on it, being a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. Yes, many people have negative attitude about agriculture because of how we were brought up at school. You realize that most of the teachers use agriculture to punish kids. You realize that the lessons have started, but still there are some kids, when you come late, they take you for digging as a sign of punishment. They take you for weeding as a sign of punishment. Someone else were able to heap sweet potatoes as a sign of punishment. Now this one sends a trauma to the mindset of the child. The child will be thinking, it is my friends are inside attending lessons, doing tests, but me, I'm here digging, I'm here weeding. So, meaning, this is something which is being used to punish me. It's not a good thing, because the word punishment is not a nice thing. It's something used to make you learn the hard way, the painful way. So the child grows with a negative attitude that agriculture is indeed not something useful. It is just for punishing people. So the kids don't take agriculture seriously. Even when they grow up, if there's no any other option but there's land in the village, they might end up opting for bajaj or going to the street to doing some other things like pickpocketing. I think kudos to Dr. Odonga on this one. Thank you.